Hi, we're going to go over how to create a new wheel from scratch. First, go to your dashboard and click Create. Then select Wheel and click Create Wheel. You can now name the wheel and add a description. For this example, we'll call it Example Check-in. The description is what's visible to users when they click the wheel for the first time, so make it clear and helpful. Next, we can select the themes that we want to be reflecting on. Within this wheel, we have a predetermined list which we can select from, or we can type in anything we want. Let's choose a few examples, such as community, leadership, and friends. These can be completely customized to whatever organization or check-in you'd like. Click Next Step, and you can now add a description or question to each segment. You can also add subsegments where you can ask multiple questions underneath the main theme. For example, under Community, my first subsegment might be Interest in Community with the description, how interested are you in your community? Then I could add two other questions like, how do you find yourself as a leader? And do you see your family and friends often? Click Next Step, and here we have 3 types of wheels to choose from. Private allows you to invite people to join the wheel, but they need an iyarn account and must sign up with their name and email. Public allows people to quickly do a check-in without any account. It's completely anonymous. Wear IT is a private wheel where users sign in and can also link their wearable devices like Apple, Garmin, and others to see their wearable data alongside their check-in. Let's select private and go to the next step. Here we can select the rating scale, change settings, and enable theme comments. Theme comments add a text box underneath each question so you get qualitative data as well as quantitative data. Next step, you can organize it into a folder to keep things neat. The final step shows our review screen where we can see all the information of the wheel we've created. Don't worry if something needs changing. You can adjust this later in the settings. Click Create Wheel, and you're done. You can now complete the check-in yourself or share it out with your team members using the invitation methods we covered in other tutorials. Please visit our other tutorial videos for more information.